विद्या प्रशस्यति लोकाय विद्या सर्वत्र गौरवः विद्या लभाते सर्वं विद्वान् सर्वत्र पूजयते. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Aditi Sarkar and today I would like to represent myself as a Kathak dancer. Besides dancing, I also have a soft corner for painting in my heart. Combining my cultural and artistic skills, I have painted this Fulan Gamusa. I have first portrayed the Kamakhya temple, which has its blessings over all of us. Next, I have added unique one-horned rhinoceros, Bihu dance, Japi, the tea stretches, and bamboo plant, which makes our Assam unique in its own way.
যখন সরস্বতী পুজো শুরুটা না হয় মা সরস্বতীর নাম নিয়েই হোক, ইয়া দেবী সর্বভূতেষু বিদ্যারূপেণ সংস্থিতা নমস্তস্যৈ 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 নমো নমঃ. A pleasant evening to one and all present here, most respected principals, sir, learned dignitaries and my dear friends. সকলকে আমার নমস্কার. Myself, Debatrita Chakraborty, a first year MBBS student from Nagaon Medical College. কি খবর, সকালে ভালো আছো তো? As my attire already says, I am a Bengali, but when I say Bengali, the thing that immediately clicks you is Durga Pujo, Rashogolla, Mache Bhate Bengali, and of course the famous cliche, Ami Tomake Bhalobashi. আজ সরস্বতী পুজো, আর সরস্বতী পুজো মানেই বাঙালির ভ্যালেন্টাইন্স ডে. And on the occasion of Saraswati Puja, I wore a traditional Bengali sari that is
Greetings everyone, I'm Rishmi Dole from Hemajin. Tonight, I proudly represent Mamisi or Reverend tribe of the beautiful state of Assam. I'm adored in missing tradition, Ege Gasor, expertly woven by my mother. The Gasor is the upper garment and the Ege is the lower one. The missing woven are fond of colors and they wave their own looms. They use woolen or airy silk for the weaving. I have wrapped a reedy gasen around my arms. It is used as a scarf and are made specially for winters. I have wrapped a gero around my waist. It is wrapped around the chest by my missing women during religious ceremonies. My hands and hairs are adorned with nakpun and nampun. They are worn by the missing girls during dancing. I'm wearing a rare yellow dongam as my ornament. It passes down as a family heirloom. It is believed that it holds sacred powers and is used in time of worship. Completing my look, I have whiskerings in my ears. The traditional Ege Gasor is especially worn during the missing festival Alia Ligam celebrated on the first Wednesday of Girmur Polo or the Phagun month. And today is the day that we celebrate Alia Ligam. I'm really
নিশ্চয়কৈ মোৰ ঘৰ নলবাৰী আৰু আজি কি পিন্ধিছোঁ বুলি ক'বলৈ হ'লে অসমীয়া হিচাপে অসমীয়া জীয়াৰী হিচাপে পোনপ্ৰথমে মনলৈ অহা সাজপাৰযোৰেই হৈছে অসমীয়া মেখেলা চাদৰ গতিকে আজি সেয়াই অসমৰ শিপিনীসকলে বনোৱা অসমীয়া মেখেলা চাদৰ মই আজি পৰিধান কৰিছোঁ তাৰ লগত পিন্ধিছোঁ অসমীয়া গহনা